The preservation of Gasworks Bridge is really important because this is an iconic part of the Western Sydney and Parramatta landscape. The bridge has been here since 1885 and it is only one of 20 lattice girder bridges road bridges in New South Wales. So it's really key that we maintain this asset for future generations to see. There are many benefits to these remediation works that we're doing to Gasworks Bridge. One of the key benefits to these changes is that we're no longer using a lead-based paint, which has a number of environmental problems, especially as the paint can sometimes peel and come off and end up in the river, affecting some of the marine life. The new paint that we were using is a non-toxic paint, so it's not lead-based and is far healthier for the environment. The bridge is a vital connection, not just between North and South Parramatta, but it carries thousands of people a day over the river. It also connects to things like Alfred Street cycleways, our footpaths and the new Parramatta light rail. I'd like to thank the local community, Parramatta Council and the Macarthur Girls High School for their help and support during this project to ensure that we're able to deliver a bridge for the future for Western Sydney.